model, 67-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive Cdti needs engine repair 86k miles Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 86,959. MOT, the 29th of September 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. The engine has been removed and is in the back of the van. All of the parts there, nothing is missing. Worst case scenario, needs engine replacement, but we reckon it will repair suspected bottom end knocking issue, but not sure. Buy it on the basis it wants another engine putting in. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, air con. Euro status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 6,290.